Assalamualaikum and hello again. So this is the last part on the human topic. So human respond to stimuli. So manusia bergerak balas terhadap rangsangan. So in this slide, there are only two subtopics that will be focused, which is type of sensory organ. The second one is type of stimuli. So the first thing first, what we need to do is we need to know what is stimuli. Humans respond to changes in their surrounding environment. For example, the changes of day and night, the presence of light, and also changes of temperature, and so many more. So all of these changes in the environment are known as stimuli or stimulus. Changes in the environment are known as stimuli or stimulus. Okay, stimuli refer to plural, stimulus refer to singular. So, for example, there are more than one stimulus, two stimulus, we call it stimuli. So if one stimulus, we call it stimulus. So the sensory organ of humans that receive stimuli such as light, smell, touch, taste, and sound. Okay, so stimuli is basically changes that happen in the environment. Anything changes that happen in the environment, we call it as stimuli. Next one is response. What is response? So I think you're familiar with this word. Response is the action taken towards the stimulus. Action taken towards the stimulus is called response. Okay, now let me help you to understand more. For example, okay, look at the picture there. A man cook. So, a man sniffing or smelling a delicious cook. Smelling a delicious food cooked by chef. So the stimulus is smell of the food. Changes in the environment now is the presence of the smell of the food, while response is smelling. So stimulus, bau makanan yang ada di persekitaran. Tindakannya adalah dengan menghidu bau makanan tersebut. So stimulus is smell of the food, bau makanan. Response or tindak balas, smelling of the food. So menghidu bau makanan. Alright, next example. A woman startled by the presence of spider. So seorang perempuan terkejut dengan kehadiran laba-laba. So the stimulus is the presence of the spider. While the response, she is startled. So stimulus dia adalah kehadiran laba-laba dan tindak balas dia terkejut melihat laba-laba tersebut. The next one is moving a hand away spontaneously as it touch the hot pan. Okay, menggerakkan tangan secara serta-merta apabila tersentuh kuali yang panas. Okay, so the stimulus, a hot pan, kuali yang panas. So perubahan pada environment adalah kuali yang panas. And the response is, our tindak balas is moving the hand away spontaneously. Automatically, we remove our hand from touching the hot pan. So that's the two differences between stimulus and response. Alright, now sensory organs that helps to detect the stimulus. So the eye helps to detect or respond to the presence of light or any changes in the environment. So for example, our eye will detect the presence of light. Our eye can see any changes that happen in the environment. So through the eye, as a stimulus, from the eye, we can think about our response. And the next one is the ear. The ear helps to detect any sounds in the environment. The ear helps to detect or respond to any sounds in the environment. For example, we respond to music. We getting started when there are thunder. We respond to human voices and so many more. The next one is skin. So the skin is not necessarily on hand. Whenever there is skin, there will be a stimulus. So the skin helps to detect or respond to any changes in the environment, such as temperature. We can detect the surrounding is hot or cold. We can detect the thorn on the roses. We can touch or feel the softness of the rabbit and so many more. Okay. The next one is the nose. The nose helps to detect or respond to the changes of smell in environment. Either it is a bad smell like rubbish or a nice smell or good smell like cooking. So through smelling, there are so many things that we can, it's not just smelling, but through other senses. For example, we can use it for benefit things. So example, you can smell a smoke come from across the road. So from there, you know that a house, they are on fire. So emergency, the emergency situation helps you to think, help you to respond, to call the firefighter. Okay, next one. The last one is the tongue. Tongue helps to taste. So responds to any food that been chewed, and it will be really helpful in detecting a rotten food, for example. So the type of stimulus might be different for each one of us, and how we respond on it is depends on individual. So each individual is not same. For example, the stimulus is the sound of thunder, bunyi kilat, but the response might be different. Some individual might startle or terkejut, but some individuals does not find it something that make them afraid. Mungkin ada setengah individu merasakan itu biasa sahaja. So the stimulus and response is vary and depends on individu. So with that, thank you.